Welcome, brothers. Christopher Investor here. You want to be successful online? You want to know how to make money online? I'm here to help you. This is the third episode of my new sequence of videos about how to make money online starting from zero. Together with ChatGPT, I will help you be successful online. Stay with me until the end of this video and let's get started. Here we are on ChatGPT. I will continue the information that I provided to you in the second episode of this sequence of videos about how to make money online starting from zero. By this time, I will go ahead about campaigns that you can promote your digital products online on organic way. This is for you that is starting from zero on the very beginning and want to be successful working online. Here's the information that ChatGPT has provided in the last video about how to make money online starting from zero. And here I asked for digital products to work online, and I made an explanation about online course and ebooks, ways that you can start to work online and make money selling online courses and ebooks with organic campaigns. So let's get advanced about these organic campaigns that you can start to work online. Stay with me until the end of this video. Follow step by step the guidance that I will provide to you here, and as soon as possible you're gonna start to make money online. I will start this organic campaigns information with a question to ChatGPT to make a list of the best organic strategies to sell digital products online, and let's see the answer that we have here. Here I made the question to ChatGPT to make a list of the best organic strategies campaigns to make sales of digital products. And here is the answer with 7 topics. I will choose the best topics and explain to you step by step how you can create your organic campaigns so you can start to make money online. Let's go. Here on the first topic we have social media marketing. This is a great way for you to start your organic campaigns and start to make sales of your digital products, where you're gonna be working on affiliate marketing, partner programs out there. You're gonna have a lot of options. Okay, so I will give you some guidance of how you can start to make your first sales with these organic campaigns. On Facebook, you can participate on Facebook groups where you're gonna help people who are looking for help on specific things. As an example, people who are looking for help on health, you can help them with health products. People who are looking to help about how to make money online, you can help them with digital marketing learning products, or you can choose products that will help them about how to make money and work online. Another great way for you to do organic campaigns is on Instagram, where you're gonna reach out the people who are looking for help. You can search it through the hashtags or even the comments on Instagram and check out their profile. See if you can help them with a product that will help on specific things that they need, and then you show your product to them through landing pages, or you can show these products with YouTube videos. There is a lot of ways for you to start your marketing campaigns organically, where you not gonna need to put any money on these campaigns. It's gonna be completely from zero, starting right from the beginning. Okay, let's go ahead here. We have email marketing. That is another great option of organic campaigns. In this option of email marketing, you're gonna have a lot of ways to promote your digital products and build a relationship with your subscribers, the people who gonna be inside your email marketing list. As I showed before, I can show again. I advise you to have email marketing list creation on these two websites, that is aweber.com and getresponse.com. These two websites, they are very good. You're gonna have a lot of options to make and create your campaigns for your digital products, or even if you want to work with physical products, then you're gonna make these campaigns online. I'm looking into the partnerships that you're gonna have. As an example, you can make partnership with Amazon, with the Amazon Associates program, so you can start to promote Amazon products, and you're gonna gain your commission for every product that successfully is purchased on the pages that you direct people where you're gonna make your campaigns. Okay, so let's go ahead here about how you can create your email marketing campaigns. Here on Aweber, you can create landing page where you're gonna be able to direct people to a page where you can give something for free to them, as an example, a free ebook, and then they're gonna give you their name, their email, so you can start to make your offers about the product that you are working with. Another way is you can make email automation. That's a very good way, so you can save your time, make a sequence of emails. You can even make with ChatGPT. You can ask to ChatGPT to make a sequence, and you gonna make the edits. It's very important that you make a human hand on what ChatGPT will help you, and then you start your email automation here. Okay, another great way for you to make the campaign about these digital products that you're gonna be working is making a list through YouTube videos, Facebook group posts, blog posts. This gonna be great ways for you to start to rise your customers. You, by having a list of people that are interested on your products, you're gonna start to rise a list of customers. Okay, so let's go ahead. On the topic number 4 here, we have affiliate marketing. I truly like to explain about affiliate marketing because there is a lot of opportunities for you to make money online starting from zero with affiliate marketing. This is a great way for you to promote other people's products. You don't need to be the producer of these products, so it's gonna be even easier for you to start from the beginning, start from zero, and you can earn commissions on sales that are very high. There are commissions that goes above 50%. So this is gonna be very good for you that is starting from the beginning and wanna make money online. Okay, I will show for you here 2 websites that I indicate for you to choose your products and start to make your organic campaigns with affiliate marketing. They are clickbank.com. This is a super high level affiliate marketing website where you can work starting from today, and you can start to make your first sales with your organic campaigns. Choose the best products that you can work with here. Watch my last videos so you can learn what are the best products you can choose to work here, but I can give some guidance to you. You can choose products on the niche of health, how to make money online, and technology. Take attention on these 3 niches and the chances for you to be successful and start to make money online will be higher. The second website that I indicate for you is digistore24.com. Another great website, a very good platform where you can start to work with affiliate marketing. And it's very important that you stay focused on the campaigns that you're gonna make on a way that you gonna be able to help people. You're gonna be able to provide value to the customers, to the audience that you're gonna be working. The way for you to start making money online is to help people. This is the number way for you. Okay, so I think that about the strategies and campaigns for you to promote your digital products on organic ways, I think that they are great here. You can see more detailed the information here on ChatGPT, and if you need more guidance about all these that I explained here on this video and on the sequence of videos about how to make money starting from zero, you that is on the beginning and you want to make money online, I'm here to help you. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the content on this video. I truly believe that you can achieve success online working with digital marketing, affiliate marketing. A lot of options are available for you to work and start to make money online from zero, right from the beginning. I'm here to help you. This is the Life Evolution Project. If you enjoyed the content on this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned to my next videos about how to make money online. I'm here to help you, and see you on the next video.